Things of the day. Myself, Kusha, a student of Bharati Vidyapit College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies. As a part of environment and sustainable tourism, I present you the country I have given, that is Kenya. Geographically, Kenya is a country in East Africa with coastline on the Indian Ocean, which is neighbored by Tanzania from south, Uganda from west, South Southern Ethiopia from north, and Somalia from east. The Kenyan flag includes the symbol of unity, peace, and defense of the country. The color black represents the people of the Republic of Kenya, red for the blood shed during the fight for the independence, and green for the country's landscape and natural wealth. The white fimbriation was added later to symbolize peace and honesty. The black, red, and white traditional Maasai shield and two spears symbolize the defense of all the things which I mentioned above. The capital of Kenya is Nairobi and is one of the largest and fastest growing city of Kenya. The currency of Kenya is Kenyan shilling and the traditional language spoken in Kenya is Swahili, but nowadays English is also spoken as a common language. The following are some of the special facts of Kenya. You can close an encounter with the big five, that is lion, elephant, buffalo, rhino and leopard. It has second highest mountains in Africa, that is Mount Kenya, having a height of 5,199 meters above sea level. And Kenya is also one of the world's leading safari destinations in the world. Following are the top major fastest growing cities of Kenya, that is Nairobi, Mombasa and Kisumu. Next, the following are the top tourist destinations of Kenya. First, Masai Mara National Park. Second, Lake Nakuru National Park. Third is the Lamu Island. Fourth is Mount Kenya National Park. Fifth is Amboseli National Reserve. And sixth is Malindi. Now, these are some of the famous dishes of Kenya. First, githeri, also called as mutheri or mutheri. It is a Kenyan traditional meal of maize and legumes, mostly beans of any type mixed and boiled together. Second is ugali, is a porridge type of food. It is made from porridge and corn. Third is mandazi. It is a form of fried bread that originated on the Swahili coast. It is also known as bofrot or puff puff in Western African countries. Fourth, mutura. It is an intestine and cast mixture of minced pieces of cow or goat meat, tripe, and cooled blood that been flavored with onion, salt, pepper, and chilies. It is also known as African sausages. Fifth, tilapia fry. It is a fried tilapia fish served with tomato gravy and ugali. Sixth is nyama choma. It is the unofficial dish of Kenya. The meat is usually of goat or beef, served roasted on barbecue. So, this was my presentation on the country Kenya. Hope you all liked my presentation and got to learn about Kenya. Thank you.